Welcome to the Learning Lab. Some of you guys might be standing there asking, what is the Learning Lab? The Learning Lab is a place for students to be able to explore science, technology, engineering, art, mathematics in their own ways. You get the opportunity to explore those 5 STEAM principles without being in a classroom setting. So you don't have the same restrictions as you would in a classroom. You get to hopefully discover some new passions, be creative, tinker, experiment, build, and explore your learning either in a group or alone while in the learning lab. With us having a learning lab here during your study hall time, there are expectations that follow along with that. And so we will take a look at those expectations. Expectations, we're going to follow BARC. So we're going to be safe. Students need to be calm during the study hall and learning lab time in that space and follow all school expectations. Students will act responsibly, meaning that they'll have all of their schoolwork done before they're able to use the materials in the learning lab. So you can't be on that referral list, the referral doc. Students will respect others. They'll be considerate of other people's time. They'll be working quietly on their assignments or on the learning lab activities, the challenges, and they won't be messing with other people's stuff. So we have a lot of great things that are available to us in the learning lab. We've gotten those things by the school purchasing them. We've gotten grants. We've gotten donations. And we want to be courteous to all of the things that we've gotten and understand that it's a great opportunity for us. But we're going to be respectful of those things, respectful of the school, and respectful of the other work that kids are doing. Finally, we're going to keep achieving. Students will use their study hall time to explore their passions and learn through completing these challenges. This will all be set up in a Schoology class, like you can see right here. So we have that same list of expectations that we just went over that's listed right there. There are challenges that will rotate throughout the course of the school year. Round 1 is up there right now. And then you will be documenting your progress on your Learning Lab challenge. And we'll go over that stuff later on in a later video. Students will have the ability to store their projects in the Learning Lab. And then, like we talked about with respecting others, we won't be destroying those other projects. The Learning Lab is also used as a classroom for 6th grade and 8th grade, and we want to be respectful of those students and their projects that they're also working on. Finally, and most importantly, we want students to be able to explore, create, and most importantly of all, have fun with their learning in the Learning Lab.